In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a Todoist bug the right way so you can quickly check whether the issue is already known and, if not, submit a support ticket with the right details. This is especially useful if Todoist is crashing, not syncing properly, or a feature is behaving the wrong way. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. First, before you open a ticket, you want to verify whether the bug is already known. To do that, go to the Todoist Known Issues page. This is the fastest way to check whether Todoist has already identified the problem and is actively working on a fix. Once the page loads, look through the list of current issues and compare them to the bug you're experiencing. If your issue is listed there, that means the team is already building a patch, so in many cases, you may just need to wait for the update to roll out. If you do not see your exact issue listed, then it's time to contact support and open a ticket. Now let's move to the Todoist support desk. Navigate to the contact options and click Get Help. This will take you into the support flow where you can submit a request directly to the Todoist team. When the ticket form opens, take your time and fill it out carefully. The most important part here is providing clear context. Include your specific account details, explain exactly what is happening, and describe the steps that lead up to the bug. If possible, mention which device you're using, what browser or app version you're on, and whether the issue happens every time or only sometimes. The more specific you are, the easier it is for support to understand the problem and help you faster. You should also keep your wording simple and direct. For example, instead of saying the app is broken, explain what feature is failing and what you expect it to happen instead. That kind of detail makes a big difference when support is reviewing your ticket. After you've entered all the details, double-check everything for accuracy, then submit the form. Once your ticket is sent, Todoist support can investigate the bug and respond with next steps if needed. So to recap, first check the Todoist Known Issues page to see if the bug is already being worked on, then open a support ticket through Get Help, and finally provide clear account details and context so the team can review it properly. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick Todoist tutorials.